Hello, welcome back, friends. So, are you ready? So start Brainbuster, general knowledge question with answer. Subscribe this channel. All right. So, let's go. Let's play quiz. In which year first one-day international cricket match was played? A. 1960. B. 1970. C. 1971. D. 1975. Answer C. 1971. How many gods are there in Zoroastrianism? A. 1. B. 2. C. 3. D. None of these. Answer A. 1. What was the religion of Persian people before Islam? A. Judaism. B. Hanfa. C. Zoroastrian. D. None of these. Answer C. Zoroastrian. The most ancient city of South Asia is A. Lahore. B. Peshawar. C. Ghazni. D. Karachi. Answer B. Peshawar. In which fort Raja Dahir's wife fled with 15,000 troops? She challenged Muhammad bin Qasim. Answer A. Patwar. B. Kurthar. C. Rawar. D. None of these. Answer C. Rawar. The most famous court poet of Akbar was A. Ras Khan. B. Surdas. C. Abdur Rahim. D. None of these. Answer D. None of these. Amir Khusro's name is associated with the invention of A. Sitar. B. Tabla. C. Shehnai. D. None of these. Answer A. Sitar. Which two countries South Asia's first cross-border oil pipeline? A. China-Nepal. B. India-Nepal. C. Pakistan-China. D. Turkey-India. Answer B. India, Nepal. What is the literal meaning of word philosophy? A love of wisdom. B. Love of God. C. Love of nature. D. Love of knowledge. Answer D. Love of wisdom. Religion Shintoism is followed in which of the following countries? A. China. B. Russia. C. Japan. D. Nepal. Answer C. Japan. In which sport do teams compete for the Dunhill Cup? A. Snooker. B. Golf. C. Table tennis. D. Badminton. Answer B. Golf. Thanks for watching.